Hi guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I do my wallpapers, and um, it's going to be in Roblox Studio. Be sure to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and turn on post notifications whenever I upload another video. You can watch it because it's going to be in your notifications. So let's go right ahead and let's find where is it? Oh yeah. Um yeah. By the way, I do not do my intros. I'm not gonna be putting an intro for today's video. Um because well, I'm still working on making the intro. As you can see, I have so many animations trying to do one, but I can't save them to files because it just doesn't let me for some reason. Also, I do not use Blender. So to move, I use W and right click to move my my screen. So we're gonna load our character first. I'm just gonna do this simple, just add your name. My Roblox name is kind of strange, so yeah. Also, I hope you guys like my outfit. I really love this mango t-shirt and this mango skirt. So now we're just gonna put it right there. I like to animate with Moon Animator. It's really helpful actually. And yeah, I feel like you should download it. So let's go to um oh yeah, toolbox. So first of all, I like to pick a sky. So I'm gonna put beautiful. I don't know how to spell very well. Beautiful sunset. So let's hope there's a sunset here. Oh my god. These look so pretty. Like this one. Oh, but it's too orange. Too orange. Oh, that looks scary. I don't know why, but it just looks scary. Also, this part looks like without the ocean, it looks like the starting of the movie Lion King. I don't know why. Let's see this. Oh, that looks like, oh, there's a fire there. Beautiful sunsets. What's this? Okay, let's just find sky. Oh, do not look at this one. Sky from Jailbreak. Ooh, I like this one. Now we're gonna look for a aesthetic model. So yeah. Oh my god, this back in the aesthetic day. Oh my god, this looks so cute. But I'm looking for something that has windows. Let's see this one. Oh my god, this one I love because you can select. Also, be sure to subscribe Bubbly Games, because um she actually is the one that made me learn. Oh, sorry, my brother smacked his door. So be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications from Bubbly Games. too, because she actually is the one that made me learn Roblox Studio editing and everything. So I thank you so much. Also, I only have 9 minutes for the video. So maybe I'm just gonna make 2 videos and combine them together. So now we're gonna open plugins. Actually, no, let's keep on going in Toolbox. I really want a cow on this, so let's go get a cow. Let's look, adopt me pets. There's no adopt me pets. Okay, so now I see everything. Oh, a giraffe. Oh. Adopt me cow? I don't know. There's no adopt me cow. Let's just get a dog. So also, I really want to make this fast. I really want this brown dog, the chocolate Labrador. So yeah. Now let's rotate it. And that's how it looks right now. So now we're gonna move this over here, then over here, like that. Because I want her to be like sitting on the chair. And this one just sitting on that chair. So let's rotate it now. I don't know if it's really on the chair. Yes, it is. But it doesn't really look like it is on the chair. So let's move it a little bit down. Oh, now the legs are like, oh, there we go, there we go. Okay, so now let's get Moon Animator. So you're gonna open Moon Animator right here. So I also learned that Easy Weld can also like make your pet like more animated and everything. But first, for this, we are going to need, wait, let me go, right there. I only have 6 minutes for the video. My God, where is it? Model? No, view, it's in view. Okay, so let's look in the Explorer tab. Okay, let's like just, what happened here? I don't get what's happening here, but whatever. So we're just gonna, wait, no. First, you're gonna go to File, wait, make a new animation, and name your animation. I'm gonna call this one, like, I don't know, wallpaper, wait, Roblox tutorial, GFX tutorial. Okay, there we go. So now you're just going to touch the plus sign, and then you're going to touch your avatar, and be sure to have rake on. So now you're just going to touch OK. You can also stretch it out and move it. So yeah, also I do not like that the name is showing up for the wallpaper, so we're just going to put a little point right there so then can't really see it that much. Okay. So now let's take Explore tab away. Okay. So I only have 4 minutes, so we're just gonna make this easy and simple. I'm gonna just do like that, move it, and also like the hand. Oh, I don't know how to like get the hand thingy. I don't know how. So yeah, that's one thing. There we go. Okay, so now the left leg, we're just gonna do like that. It doesn't really look realistic. The right leg, I don't get why. You know what? I'm gonna go in my iPad. Actually, no. I only have 3 minutes. So we're gonna just pull this down. Oh, I forgot to take the base plate out. Let's go to Explore. Let's see, where is the base plate? Where's the base plate? I'm also so sorry if you hear some background noise. It's just my little brother is watching something. So now we're just gonna go right here, set ourselves up. I only have 2 minutes. Oh, I forgot the head. The head, let's just rotate it right there. My shirt is very uncomfortable. Now, to screenshot your computer, you're just gonna touch Shift Command 3. Then you're just gonna go to the picture and crop it. So, what I like to do is go right here, crop, wait. Why can't you crop? Oh, there we go. So I'd like to make it smaller. Like right there. Now, done. And then let's just go yes. GFX animation, I don't know. Let's just say GFX animation. I don't know what that means. Okay. So now that we're leaving, there we go. So now that we have oh no, upgrading Roblox Studio, I only have 1 minute for the video. Okay, screenshot. Let's just make it as our desktop picture for a second, and that's how it looks. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on post notifications. And yeah, bye guys!